Hi, welcome to Daily Market Podcast with Jagadish, Chandran, post market analysis. Today we'll be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and important levels to watch out for. Market consolidation continues with Nifty oscillating in a range between 19,600 on the downside and 19,850 on the upside, finally to close above 19,800 zones. Bank Nifty too traded in a range between 44,000 levels on the downside and 44,800 on the upside to close around 44,400 zones. Both the indices in a range are waiting for the range breakout, which could lead for a trend confirmation in the coming sessions. To summarize, Nifty and Bank Nifty, both the indices have been trading in a range, and Nifty above 19,850, 860 sustaining would lead index towards 19,900, 940 to 20,000 zones. Bank Nifty above 44,800 sustaining can lead towards 45,200 to 45,400 zones. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the market updates and is useful for your trading decisions. Do hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives looking for more market updates and insights. If you are not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe our channel for more market updates and market insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.